everyone, this is Swarali. Welcome back to my channel. Let me start you with a simple truth, a very simple truth that what you do today shapes your tomorrow. Just think of that every great achievement in history or every great legendary success story has one common thread, that sacrifice. And sacrifice means that giving up your comfort now to just enjoy or to celebrate your achievement, your freedom, or your accomplishment later. And the pain of the sacrifice, whenever you are now sacrificing, is just becomes the pride of the celebration tomorrow. And that's why means we have to sacrifice, because sacrifice now and celebrate forever. But if you are now celebrating and then you will sacrifice forever, so this is the truth that you have to sacrifice now. Most of the people, they are sacrificing, but what the happening is that most of the people are just denying to sacrifice, and the reason is just simple, that they don't want to sacrifice, they don't want to accomplish anything, because they don't want to just challenge themselves. They don't want to challenge themselves, they are just wants to sit and scroll just every day. But most of the people, some people are there who are just trying to sacrifice and celebrate forever. But if you are doing its opposite, that you are now celebrating and then you will sacrifice forever, this is the rule of the life, that what you do today shapes your tomorrow. So that you have to do, like if you want to celebrate forever today if you want to celebrate your life, if you want to enjoy, then definitely forever, your whole life you will just sacrifice the things. But now, instead of that, instead of the whole life, just for some years, if you are sacrificing, it's much better than sacrificing forever in the life. So it's much better than to sacrifice now. Most of the people are doing, just think of the athletes, that they are sacrificing anything, they are sacrificing everything literally, because they are sacrificing their comfort zone, they are getting out of their comfort zone, or they are sacrificing their sleep, everything they are sacrificing to just achieve their goal, to just accomplish in their life. So everybody is sacrificing themselves, their comforts, or their sleep, everything. You means whatever you want to sacrifice today, if you are sacrificing it without any hesitation, then the life, you will definitely, you will not sacrifice anything in your life afterwards. Firstly, now you have to sacrifice the things. Sacrificing means not you have to give it, or you don't have, it will not come back to you. It means just you have to sacrifice sleep. Means if you want to study much, if you want to be topper, if you want to learn something new, so for that purpose you have to, at least if you are sleeping every day for 10 to 15 hours in a day, so that you have to just reduce. You don't need, I'm not saying that you don't sleep just every day, any day you can sleep, but for that 10 to 15 hours you have to just reduce, and you have to just give up it, because giving up comfort zone will definitely shape your tomorrow. And just get out of from the comfort zone. If you are now in your comfort zone and you don't want to do anything, you just want to chill, so it will definitely, your future will be in the dangerous if you do like this. So that's why you have to sacrifice, means you have to just do some work, whatever you want to learn, that you have to do, that you have to learn with consistency, with hard work, that you have to do. It means like sacrificing, because think of the entrepreneurs, they are also sacrificing. Like for example, Elon Musk, he just sold a video game at the age of 12 years. Means just think that at the age of 12 years he just sold a video game, and it's not a joke, it's really and good work and hardworking work. He sold it, he worked for many hours, and he just invested his whole energy, his life in Tesla and SpaceX. So it means like he was fully concentrating on his work, he was dedicating towards it, he was definitely trying to just make his projects big, and the ginormous result it will give, that he was sure about it. So that he did. So like that, there are many people who are doing this, who are sacrificing, who are just celebrating their life forever, but now they are just reducing their comforts and their comfort zone, they are getting out of it. So that you have to do. For example, a student's life, a student is giving up everything. Like whenever there's the exam season, at that time every student is just giving up all the things and just studying every day to become topper, to get average marks, to get better marks. Everyone's goal is different. So that goal, to achieve that goal, they are giving up everything. They are everything giving up. They are not eating at the proper time. They are just studying every day. That everyone is doing it. Even the sacrifice means also not about the money or the work. It also like the daily basis sacrifice, that an artist sacrifices 5 to 10 years income so they can just make the masterpieces. For that purpose also, it doesn't mean about the work and money only. Like a parents just sacrifice all the things for their child, that is also a sacrifice. So it doesn't mean every day that about money or about work to be a better person, to be to just celebrate your life forever. That for that purpose you have to sacrifice, but for that also you have to sacrifice. And on daily basis also there are many sacrifices, so that you have to do. Like how to start sacrificing: just reduce some social media. Whatever you are scrolling every day, watch it, but just reduce some time of it, reduce screen time. And also wake up early, and whatever things you are doing after means lately, that you have to do early, and then you will save your time, much time you will save. So in that time also you can do many other things. Means only whenever you are doing only one thing, if you wake up early, then you can do multiple things. So that also you can do. So for that purpose, means this means sacrifice, that you have to wake up early, you have to just do your work with dedicated, that you have to do. So that means sacrifice. And it is definitely, if you do this today, then definitely your life you will enjoy it, because sacrifice is just temporary, but celebration is forever. If you now sacrifice, then you will celebrate, as I told you. So pain is temporary. The pain, whatever now you will feel, definitely that I don't want to do this, I don't just want to do, because it is, my sleep is not going to be proper. I don't want to do because I am not able to watch mobile properly, TV or anything. You will feel this, but instead of this feeling, just think that in the life, in future, what if you will do like this every day. So instead of that, for some day, if you are doing this, doesn't matter, it will not affect to your life. But instead of doing this routine for every day, then it will affect to you much than now. So that's why pain is temporary, but success is forever. So the sleepless mindset now, the sleepless nights that you are having, but it will affect your life, that you are now skipping the mobile, the fun today, but definitely someday it will give you the results. So that you have to do. So sacrifice now, celebrate forever. Every time you push through the pain, every time you choose comfort over ease, is definitely building the success, your success stronger. So just remember this, that greatness never comes from the comfort, and legacy never comes from the ease. So today just be ready to just sacrifice now, because you will celebrate your life forever.